Unidentified body found at Junta House parking, Panji. Body was found inside a government scrap vehicle. Police have launched an investigation. Bicholim police station ranked 5th best in India. MHR recognized Bicholim PS for strong crime detection and upgraded facilities. CM Pramod Sawant congratulated the team on the achievement. Panjim traffic cell cracks down on illegal parking at Patto. Pai Mahesh Karkar's team cleared rent-a-cars, taxis and bikes blocking the footpath. Challans were issued to all violators. Major bugger crash, SUV rams into shops, no serious injuries. A Maharashtra registered Creta suddenly accelerated out of a parking area. Shops, scooters and property were damaged in the incident. Tanode backs excise amendment bill to prevent cheaper tobacco. He said the bill will protect youth and maintain public health stability. Revised duties ensure harmful products remain expensive and regulated. RBI cuts repo rate to 5.25%, bringing relief to borrowers. The RBI has reduced the repo rate by 25 basis points. Move is expected to ease EMIs and stimulate economic activity. Goa government approves free insurance cover for coconut sector workers. From 2025 to 26, all coconut-related workers will receive free insurance up to 7 lakh rupee. Multi-vehicle pile-up on Mandovi Bridge, minor injured. A goods carrier rammed into a vehicle, triggering a chain reaction. 4 vehicles were involved in the collision. Indigo disruption triggers chaos at Dabolim Airport. Operational issues caused long delays and congestion at the airport. Passengers faced confusion as teams worked to restore normalcy. Congress GFP alliance talks postponed to tomorrow. Meeting was delayed due to Indigo flight issues affecting the Goa in charge. No nominations filed yet as final discussions continue.